You are watching a master at work.
What's up? I'm Teddy Parks from Princeton, Texas. I'm 19 years old and I've been riding for 9 years. My plans for 2009 are to race the East Coast Supercross, and my goals are to make all the mains, stay healthy throughout the year, and run up as far up to the front as I can. I've raced 6 outdoor nationals this year. I've raced Freestone, Budds Creek, Lakewood, Millville, Southwick, and Steel City. I like Steel City the most. The jump's pretty big, and so it made it challenging and I had a lot of fun there. I think I'll do good this season. Been working every day with my trainer Charlie Bogart. He's been making it like my job. So wake up, go ride, go to the gym, go mountain biking. I got a supercross track in my backyard that I'm just starting to ride every day, so I think it'll be a good year. I'd like to thank Plano Suzuki, Yoshimura, Scott, MSR, RG3, Tuckeraki, Precision, Garnet, Bell, Bentley Graphics, and whoever else I forgot. I appreciate it.